Hey everybody, it's Jennifer with Digital Marketing Success Strategies, and I have a bathroom renovation going on, so I decided to come outside so I could have a little peace of mind and quiet and hear the birds chirping while I do this video. So here I am, no editing, let's do this. So this is going to be a review of the Roadmap exclusive. So as many of you know, the Roadmap started with Hannah and Zach Pippins, and it has come through a couple of revolutions, and now it has been upgraded to the Roadmap exclusive. So let's talk about the pros and cons and what I have experienced so far. So the Roadmap exclusive, first of all, is no longer master resale rights with reselling at 100% profits. So that's one downside. They have made it into an affiliate program where when you turn around and resell it, you get 80% commission, which is still great, but it's no longer master resale rights. And some people have a bit of a problem with that because this is how the program started from the very beginning. So now you're going to change that, and they say it's something to do with legal issues with an MRR, but really as an affiliate, there's more legal things with an affiliate program than there is with an MRR, because now Hannah and Zach have to process the payments and then send the money to those who sell it. So I'm not sure that's the case. I really think it's more about a money thing, that they weren't making any money when people were selling it at 100% profits. Now they're going to make 20%. So you'll get 80%, they'll still get 20%, right? Now, oh my gosh, the rollout has been an absolute nightmare. It really has. They were not prepared. So there are over 6,000 people in the Roadmap exclusive program, right? And they were expecting for you to fill out a form to get your affiliate link, and they were going to manually send all of those to be processed. Now, I'm not sure why they felt like this was a good idea, but it is a terrible idea, and it has been a nightmare. So this Roadmap journey actually needs a lot of roadside assistance, if you know what I'm saying. So people haven't gotten their links, people have gotten their links and they were working and now they're not working. People don't read or listen or watch the videos. So there's a million people in the community saying, where do I get my affiliate link, and how do I get my link, and how do I use it, and mine's not working. And I'm like, oh, for the love of all that is holy, people, watch the video where it talks about it, look at the comments, figure it out. But anyway, it has been a nightmare, and I feel bad. I really do feel badly for them, because they're probably somewhere in a corner in fetal position because this has been such a disaster. As a matter of fact, in the community, they haven't even commented on anything for several days, because I think they're MIA somewhere, like they don't know what to do, because it has been quite a shit show. Sorry, but it has. So they're not even responding anymore. Now, mine works. Mine worked from the beginning. I followed the instructions. I went through, got my link, and I'm good to go. So I'm not sure why some aren't working. Maybe some of it's user error. So I will say that probably some of it is user error, like always, but it has been quite the shit show. So the other thing about the Roadmap exclusive that I thought they were going to change, because the price has increased too, I should mention that. It went from $4.95 to $5.95, and I think they did that so the person selling it could still get almost the same amount of money as they did when they sold it for 100% profit. So I understand the thought process there. But for a higher price, anything over $500, it's tough for people to shell that out. Under $500, people are like, okay, I can swing it. But when you hit that over $500 mark, that's when people are resistant to pay that amount of money. So it's now $5.95. And I thought that with it being more, they would provide you with a pre-built funnel, which they don't. They don't. So a person who is new to this, who is a brand new beginner, and they claim it's a beginner friendly program, you have to build your funnel from scratch. Now, they have an option in there that you can get a pre-built funnel from Funnel Mix is what it's called, Funnel Mix. And I'm like, okay, I'll just do that and tweak it and yada yada. It's not. It is basically a shell which you can do yourself. It has nothing in it. So you have to create everything from scratch. So that's one disadvantage that I really thought that they would give you a pre-built funnel. So there's no pre-built funnel. There's no email sequence set up for you. So somebody who doesn't have tech skills and this is the first time they are venturing into this type of world, they're going to struggle. They're really going to struggle. So that I was very, very disappointed in, because it's super easy for them to create a beautiful funnel and then share it with everybody. So I don't understand why they didn't do that. That would not have been time consuming for somebody who is very tech savvy. So that was disappointing. The other piece that's disappointing is they have provided us with no marketing materials, none. So I don't have a logo. They did give us like a video sales page, but I'm sorry, it's very generic. I'm not real impressed with it at all. It's just kind of a thanks for being here. It doesn't really talk in depth about the program. So I'm not impressed with that. So I'll be doing my own video. But they haven't given us logos. They haven't given us any promotional materials. So there are people in the community creating these and sharing them with people so that we can promote this program. So I think that they spent most of their time on video production, because the modules are very professional, which is fantastic. If you pay that much money, you want something professional. But why didn't you spend more time on making the process easier for your buyers? That is what they should have done. So those are all the cons, okay? So I think once all the kinks are worked out, then the roadmap has a great reputation, always has. Zach and Hannah are always open to suggestions, and they're always making improvements. So it has a great reputation, which will carry it through this shit show. So that is a good thing. It'll carry through. But man, it has been a rough start. So that is one of the biggest pros of the roadmap exclusive, is that the branding is so well known and people know it as such a quality program that in itself will carry it. So that everybody knows what the roadmap is, which is fantastic. Plus the modules are, again, very professional. It still has great content on branding, automation, on if you want to create your own digital products, how to do that. So the modules are pretty much the same as what was in the Roadmap 3.0, but just updated and upgraded to more professional, I think, in my opinion. But it's still, nobody's actually promoting it yet because of all the glitches. So, but the content in itself will carry it. It's a great program. Once you get into the community, everybody's very helpful. It's a lifetime access, one-time fee. You don't pay any monthly expenses. All of those advantages of it when it was an MRR are still the same. You just get 80% commission instead of 100% commission. So you still have all the things that were great about it before. So I promote it. I have mine up and running, so it's in my store. But some people don't. I don't know why, but figure it out. So I have mine up and running, and I will promote it because, again, it's always been a quality program. Once these bumps in the road are over, then it'll be great, as it always has been. Now, with that, let me tell you this. I actually do provide my customers with a pre-built funnel. Easy peasy. I share it with you, and then you can tweak the colors or whatever you want to do to it. But that is done for you. So, and I'll even share my email template. It doesn't matter. I want you to be successful, and I don't want you to struggle. And I want to be able to promote that it is beginner friendly. And so that's why I provide that for you. Plus, I do one-on-one mentoring and coaching. So once you purchase, I will set up a call or whatever's convenient for you, a Zoom call or just a phone call, and we will go through the steps to make sure you're 100% set up and you know exactly what to do. Okay? So that's my opinion about the roadmap. I'm sure some people are going to come at me about it because I have said these things that they don't like. But I'm just telling you the truth about the rollout. Quite a disaster, but they will come through it. Zach and Hannah will always, come through those things and provide us with a very quality product, and that's the main thing. So I'm finished with my outside video. I've got to pick up dog poop. I think the other dog's going to eat it now. So I need to go do that. But hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions about the Roadmap exclusive, because I definitely want to help answer any questions. I have links down below to the Roadmap exclusive and the Digital Growth Community, which is another amazing, and it is an MRR, 100% profits, and a System.io free account that you'll need to start either one of these businesses. So let me know what I can do to help. This is Jennifer, your oldie but goodie, out here on this beautiful day in Kentucky, saying have a good one.